Ultimate Creamy Sweet Potato Gnocchi Bake. Making gnocchi from scratch is surprisingly easy, and our sweet potato gnocchi bake with a bacon crumb is a delicious take on this Italian family classic. To start, preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius and line a large baking tray with baking paper. Preparing your gnocchi is simple. Take your sweet potatoes and cut them in half lengthways, then place them on the baking tray cut side up. Pop in the oven and bake for an hour to an hour and 15 minutes, or until the sweet potatoes are lovely and tender. Then set them aside until they cool slightly. Once they're cool enough to handle, scoop the flesh from the skins and press through a coarse sieve or a potato ricer into a bowl. Discard the skins and any solids. Then add your egg yolks, parmesan and some of the ricotta to the sweet potato mixture. Season with salt and pepper and stir to combine. Then add your flour and stir it in gently. Once everything is feeling evenly mixed in, turn the mixture onto a lightly floured surface and gently knead into a smooth dough. Then take a large baking tray and dust lightly with flour. Cut your dough into 6 even portions and roll your portions into a 1.5 centimetre log. Then cut the log into 2.5 centimetre lengths, pinching the centres gently as you go. Place each piece of gnocchi onto your floured baking tray. Next, bring a large saucepan of boiling water to a simmer over a medium heat. Add your gnocchi in batches and cook for about 1 minute or until the gnocchi floats to the surface. Using a slotted spoon, carefully transfer the gnocchi to a clean baking tray. Once this is done, we're going to make the Parmesan cream. Start by whisking the cream and egg yolks together in a jug until they're well combined. Add the parmesan and garlic and season with salt and pepper. Keep whisking slowly until the mixture is smooth and creamy. Now you're ready to put it all together. Take your parmesan cream and pour half into a large oven-proof dish. Top with half the gnocchi, then evenly sprinkle with the remaining ricotta. Pour the rest of your parmesan cream over the ricotta and top with the remaining gnocchi. Sprinkle the gnocchi with thyme leaves and extra parmesan and season with salt and pepper. Then pop your dish in the oven and bake for 20 to 25 minutes or until the top is golden and bubbling. While that's cooking, start to make the bacon crumb by heating a large frying pan over medium-high heat. Add your oil and then the bacon and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Move your bacon around occasionally to keep it from sticking. Then add the breadcrumbs and stir for 2 to 3 minutes or until crisp and golden. Add your garlic and pepitas and season with salt and pepper. Generously sprinkle the bacon crumbs over your gnocchi bake and serve with a pinch of thyme. Impress your friends and family with this sweet potato gnocchi bake. It's perfect for a special lunch or dinner.